Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. Gardening is indeed a favorite pastime for us. With our busy and concert lifestyle, gardening is the only way to keep us connected to Mother Nature. Gardening gives us immense joy as we can see the shrubs and flowers growing right from their tender stage till it completely shoots and lush into their green life. This literally gives us a sense of mortality which the living creators have on the plant. Gardening keeps our daily life fresh, watering the plants, nurturing them, cleaning them, all gives us a sense of freshness and calmness in our mind. People are fond of grooming many types of gardens, flower gardens, which consist of varieties of beautifully scented flowers, a fruit garden that holds nutritious fruits, a vegetable garden is very much loved by the household as the bare healthy vegetables which are then cooked and included in their meal are the best examples. Apart from these potential gardens and medicinal herbs, gardens that cure disease are also included in the hobby. And we love to grow fruits or vegetables gardens near our homes as this gives us the opportunity to savor the fruits of our hard work in real. These kinds of garden are known as gardens of the kitchen. Colleges have their own garden in order to work as a learning lab for the students. Gardens give us insight into some of the best practices of the same. And the garden is designed into spillets. The spillets are the various part, all the sections placed into flowers, beds, while every bed is surrounded by an earthen applied for these flower crops, fruits, trees, vegetables, and medicinal herbs. Some part are interested. Thanks for watching.